Hi students, a warm welcome to KSM classes. In the last video, we discussed a few things regarding the number system. Now in this video, we will discuss the remaining parts of the number system like prime numbers, co-prime numbers, twin primes, rationals, irrationals. Okay, so first of all, I'll discuss the prime numbers. What is meant by a prime number? A number which has only two factors. A number which has only two numbers a number which has only two factors, two divisors, otherwise two factors or divisors. A number which has only two factors, one and the number itself, and the number itself is called a prime number. A prime number. A number which has only two factors, one, and the number itself is called a prime number. A prime number, కొన్ని points on them. A prime number is always greater than 1. Greater than 1, because 1 has only one factor that cannot be taken as a prime number, and therefore the prime number is always greater than 1. The least prime number is 2. It is the only even prime number. Even prime number. All the other prime numbers which exist are odd prime numbers. Odd numbers. Odd numbers. So the least prime number is 2. It is the only even prime number. All the other prime numbers are odd numbers. A number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, is called a prime number. Example, if you take 2, it can be written as 2 into 1. So the factors are 2, 1. If you take 3, the factors are 3, 1. If you take 11, the factors are 11, 1. If you take 4, the factors are 1, 2, 4. So it is not a prime. Is not a prime. Because other than 1 and the number, there exists one more number as a factor, and hence is not a prime. But here, in all these cases, these numbers have only two factors, 1 and number, 1 and 3, 1 and 11, like that. We can also write a few prime numbers up to 50 also. So, note, prime numbers up to 50, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, that's it. These are the numbers which are up to 50. You can also write up to 100 like this. So these are the prime numbers up to 50. So this is about the concept of prime numbers. Now next, my second definition. Composite numbers. The numbers which are not prime, are called composite numbers. That is, the numbers which have at least one factor other than 1 and the number itself. Excuse me. And the number itself. So this is about a composite number. Here we can make a note of a few points. Number 1. One is neither prime nor composite. Neither prime nor composite number. Nor composite. Every composite number has at least 3 factors. Has at least 3 factors. Example, for example, if you take 9, the factors are 1, 3 and 9. If you take 12, factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So likewise, there exists at least one factor other than, at least one factor more than those 2 factors. That means at least it has 3 factors. This is a composite number. I will discuss the co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they have only one common factor, only one as the common factor. Only one as the, 2 numbers are said to be co-prime if they have only one as the common factor. Or 2 numbers are said to be co-prime if their HCF, highest common factor, or GCD, greatest common divisor, is 1. This is about the co-prime. So two numbers are said to be co-prime if they have only one as the common factor. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని ప్రాపర్టీస్ రాద్దాం. Number 1, two prime numbers are always co-prime. Two prime numbers are always co-prime. Example 3 and 7. Factors of 3, 1, 3. Factors of 7, 1, 7. So 1 is the only common factor. The greatest common factor is only 1. Okay, now next. So two prime numbers are always co-prime. For the numbers to be co-prime, it is not necessary for both of them or at least one of them to be prime. అంటే రెండు ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ తీసుకుంటే ఎప్పుడు అవి కోప్రైమ్ అవుతూనే ఉంటాయి. అలా కాకుండా కోప్రైమ్ అవ్వాలంటే అవి రెండు ప్రైమ్ అవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం కానీ, లేదా రెండింట్లో ఒకటి ప్రైమ్ అవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం కానీ లేదు, ఎలాగైనా ఉండొచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ రెండు ప్రైమ్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఈసారి ఇంకో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకుందాం. I will take two numbers, 5. Of course, this is a prime number. The factors 1 and 5. I will take 8. It's not a prime number. The factors 1, 2, 4, 8. But the only common factor is 1. So 5 and 8 are co-prime. So you can observe like this. Here you can observe that both are chosen to be prime numbers. Of course, whenever you choose both to be prime numbers, definitely they are co-prime. Even if one of them is prime number, definitely they are also co-prime, because of course if you take 5 and some 15, then they are not 5 and 15. Of course, this is prime, this is not a prime. These factors are 1 and 5. Here 1, 3, 5 and 15. So 5 is there. So if one of them is a prime number, it is not necessary for the numbers to be co-prime. So to become co-prime, it is not necessary for both the numbers to be prime. There may be a possibility of both to be prime. If both are prime, definitely they are co-prime. If one of them is prime and one is not a prime, there is a chance that to be co-prime. Even if both are not prime numbers. For example, 15, the factors, 15 factors, 1, 3, 5 and 15. This is not a prime. 15, this is not a prime. Not a prime. Factors 1, 3, 5, 15. You take 32. This is also not a prime. take the factors. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So 1 is the only common factor. So these two are also coprime. So the coprime numbers means two numbers are said to be coprime if they have only one common factor, that is 1 itself. Only 1 as the common factor. But it is not necessary for the numbers to become coprime, the two numbers to be prime numbers. Of course, if the two numbers are prime, they are definitely coprime. If one number is prime and one is not prime, may or may not be prime numbers, coprime numbers likewise. So this is about the coprime. Twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers. Twin primes. Twin primes. A pair of prime numbers, a pair of prime numbers whose difference is two are called twin primes. Click on the points on them. For example, if we take 5 as a prime number, now it can be associated with two twin primes. 3, 5 are twin primes. 5, 7 are also twin primes. So 5 is the only number which is associated with two primes such that they are prime numbers. Now, though this is one example. 2 cannot have a twin prime. Because after 2 you can find the next prime is 3, but the difference is only 1. After that 4 is not a prime. 2 cannot have a, so 2 cannot be associated with any other prime number such that both can be treated as the twin prime numbers. For example, if you take 5 and 11, both are primes. Both are primes, but not twin primes. Because their difference is 4. That's it. This is about the twin primes.